Tyshawn Lee leads an Illinois congressman to his supermax prison.
It was Congressman Bobby Rush who went to ADMAX prison in Florence, Colorado. He met there with two inmates who founded the gangs at the center.
Because I was so used to doing it so many years. Now I'm going on 38 years old, man. Everybody got to grow up. Some people do, some people don't. You know what I'm saying? These are part of you went to school from kindergarten all the way up. You know what I'm saying? So they just like they family. You might be closer to them years to some of your real family. A lot of my partners, 50, 60 years, murder, dead, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've been around it, man. I've seen a lot of come and go, man. We had a little class with ours, man, you know what I'm saying? These young G's, no respect, man. No structure, no guidance. Everybody needs, that's when you, just like you got a job, you know what I'm saying? You got a supervisor, somebody got to tell you what to do. Or you going to be wild around there, you know what I'm saying? They just don't care about that no more.
They come out and go through the cars in the streets, and this is why, like, your approach to your sound and the way you write is a different approach than what you might expect someone who grew up over here, seen all these things to come with. You know, a lot of people may think, well, damn, if he grew up in this area, maybe he'll come a lot more harder edge, a lot more aggressively.
Initially I did. Initially I was entertaining this. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't trying to change this because I didn't know how. You know what I'm saying? I don't like this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This ain't cool with me. You know what I'm saying? I tell my peoples in their face, like, this ain't cool with me. I don't like this. This ain't how it's supposed to be. So if I can create something, a meeting place or something like that for them out here so they can have that. Because right now they ain't got it and it ain't no music. Ain't no song that I can make. There's no We Are the World that I'm going to make. You know what I'm saying? That's going to unify and make all this better.
Wow, man, that brought tears to your eyes. What was it about that you know, just triggered this emotion from you? Just looking back.
You got dudes, you know, struggle to murder capital. You know, the dudes in that video, you know, in and out of prison. A couple fed cases. Then there's ghosts. You see people that ain't there. It's, I don't know, B.
Yeah.
And you just trying to make it better and come up out of it. That building's still there. You know? That hood's still there.
See, they're part of the solution, not part of the problem.
The Reverend Congressman Bobby Rush was in full pastoral dress as he talked with Larry Hoover and Abdul Malik Kabah, formerly known as Jeff Fort, about Tyshawn Lee, the targeted 9-year-old murder victim.
They knew about it and they were appalled at it.
Hoover, who co-founded the Gangster Disciples, has been in prison since a 1973 murder conviction. Fort formed the Black Keystone Nation in the 1960s. His ADMAX sentence is the result of a terrorism-related conviction.
Tonight with a close-up, inside look at gangbangers in Chicago. What makes them tick? What are they thinking?
In Chicago, say the police, 100,000 gang members. In the suburbs, 15,000 more.
Ron Cathy, I'm outside the most secure prison in the United States. It's where Congressman Bobby Rush held private meetings today with 2 of Chicago's original gangsters.
Tell those youngsters to stop the killing.
ADMAX houses just under 500 of America's worst criminals, including 9/11 conspirator Zacarias Moussaoui, the shoe bomber, the Unabomber, Oklahoma City, and Olympic bombers, to name a few. Hoover and Fort spend 23 hours a day in their cells and are allowed minimal human contact.
They didn't ask me to move mountains or to use any kind of clout to help them.
Rush is convinced that if Hoover and Fort are allowed to communicate, they could help the now desperate effort to stem Chicago's violence.
We cannot continue to allow our community to be wiped out.
Have you shot anybody yet? No. You afraid to shoot somebody?
No.
No. You're not afraid of getting shot?
No.
Well,
I ain't scared of nobody but God.
And he says he's not scared of the police. During our conversation, these bangers told me they're at war with the Chicago police.
The police hate us. Every time they ride past us, they shoot us down, do all that. All right, do what y'all want to do. I don't care about y'all. Keep riding. Who is y'all? We not scared of y'all. I'll fight you too. Take that badge off.
And there's not going to be no killing without killing, gentlemen. With all due respect. Definitely not going to be any killing without killing, you know. And I would like that to be clear for the record. I understand the fact that we got police in here. I wanted you to be here to understand what I said.
Or you gonna be wild around there, you know what I'm saying? They just don't care about nothing no more, you know what I'm saying? We grew up in our time, man, you know what I'm saying? You still got respect for your elders, man. It used to be stuff. Yeah, it used to be. It's all everybody for self now. These young folks ain't got no respect, man. All that need to change, man. How you ain't gonna give the man that paid dues for you to get to where you at to say what you saying? No respect, man. It wouldn't have happened in our days. Go, man. We had a little class with ours, man. You know what I'm saying? These young G's, no respect, man. No structure, no guidance. Everybody needs that. Just like you got a job, you know what I'm saying? You got a supervisor. Somebody got to tell you what to do.
The prison would not allow the congressman to make photos or voice recordings during his visit. Hoover and Malik could go weeks, months, even years without having this kind of human contact again. Reporting live from outside the ADMAX in Florence, Colorado, Charles Thomas, ABC 7 Eyewitness News. Kathy, back to you.
Okay, Charles.